Thank you sa pag-click ng aking video. Good day po sa lahat ng ating SSS pensioner. Sa mga bagong viewers at napadaan lang, by the way, I'm Tita Eda. Welcome to my channel. Aking isi-share ang good news tungkol sa pagdinig sa Kongreso tungkol sa SSS 1,000 pension increase second tranche. So ito po ay dagdag pensyon. Pakinggan po natin ang pahayag ni Bayan Muna Representative Attorney Neri Colmenares. Please watch the entire video.
So, to 2011 when I filed the bill, although may pagbabago ngayon. Noong panahon ng 2011 and 2016, bankruptcy ang kanilang argument. Bankrupt ang binigyan. Kahit na 500 pesos, bankrupt. Hindi mo 1,000, bankrupt pa rin. Pero hindi na nila ginagamit ngayon yan kasi medyo nasopla sila na after all the actuarials na pinakita nila na pag binigay ito, ganito na lang. The 1,000 peso increase given in January of 2017 proves all the actuarials were hindi man mali. They really gave the former president a bad advice. Kasi alam na ng former president na pwede pala magbigay ng 1,000 and everything is okay. Binigay niya dati, hindi niya nabinigay siguro yun. But in any case, ito ngayon yung issue. Ang sagot naman ng Kongreso, next slide please, doon sa mababankrupt, walang social security system sa buong mundo na mababankrupt. Kasi ang ginagawa lang dyan, pag tagilid ka na talaga, di mag-increase ka na ng kontribusyon. Tapos ang problema. Secondly, ang gobyerno may tungkulin under Section 20 at Section 21 ng SSS Law and even the new charter na magbigay ng pondo sa SSS like many governments. So, ang argumento ng Kongreso noon, ibigay niya ang 2,000, ang una niyang reform, i-increase ang collection rate efficiency. If I may, Mr. Chair, 2011 pa po hinihingi yan na out of 25 million, ang nakokolekta nyo 11 million, ngayon 38 million na ang members nyo, nakokoleksyon nyo 16 million. Ano nangyari sa iba? Anecdotal pa lang yung sagot. For actuarials who are supposed to be scientific, palagi nila, isang iba kasi nagbigay ng contribution, hindi na naman, ilan yan? Sino yan? You have the list of all the names. You can just, isa-isa, 10 billion pesos ang OPEX nyo, hindi ba? Mag-hire kayo ng researcher dyan. 10 years na yan eh, hindi pa nila masagot-sagot. Ang iba kasi nag-unemployed, ang iba kasi namatay. So, how many of these 36 million ang hindi nakabayad? Bakit hindi nakabayad? 16 million. So, ang palaging charge ng Congress, inefficient ang collection rate. Increased investment efficiency, nabanggit na kanina yan ni Kong Alban. Siyempre, mag-decrease kayo ng unnecessary bonuses at OPEX. Okay. Very reasonable naman ang proposal ng Kongreso. Tapos, kung kulang pa rin yan, matapos nyo binigay ang 2,000, under Section 20 of ARA 8282, magbigay ang gobyerno ng pondo. Ang Japan, ang lahat ng sahod ng government employees ng SSS ng Japan, gobyerno ang nagpapan. Just like all government, kaya lang dito sa atin, miyembro ang nagpupondo eh. Kung i-fund ng gobyerno sa DAA, yung 10 billion pesos na OPEX ng SSS, pwede at least bawas na yun sa kargahin ng miyembro. Pangalawa, mapipilitan silang pumunta sa Kongreso during budget. Unlike ngayon na they will promise, sometime this year we will submit. Ayun talaga, dahil gawa pupunta. Without, of course, na huwag naman pababain ng sahod na benefits. I-maintain na lang yun, di ba? Thailand, one-third yan eh. Employer, one-third, worker, one-third, government, one-third. Yearly. Vietnam, 10% ng budget ng Social Security nila, pinapondo ng Vietnam every year. Kasi batas naman yan. So sabi namin, hindi ka mababakrap talaga, tingnan mo yan, gawin mo lang lahat yan. At ang panghuli, tsaka tayo mag-usap ng kontribusyon, dagdag sa premium. So hindi ka talaga mababakrap, but they kept on using that, making the former president fear the B word na it was vetoed. Kaya ang ginagamit nila, hindi na B-word, UL, unfunded liability. Pero yung debate nila, nandun pa rin sa divide and rule. Yung, paano na lang yung future generation, yung divide and rule. Maganda ang sinabi ni Kong Urbano kanina. Yan ang issue ng social pension. Younger generations pay for the older generations. Ang second principle nila na gustong baguhin ni Congressman Albano, yung, remember, the social security system, it makes sense dapat may reasonable connection sa contribution. That's not the basic principle of a social security system. Premium-based. Sa video, kung ganun, tanggalin na natin magkano ang binibigay ng gobyerno sa AFP. 63 billion pesos in 2019 bubayad na ng premium uniform personnel. Hindi sila babayaran. AFP GHQ, 29.9 billion binigay sa lahat ng retirees nila. Hindi wala silang premium. Wala silang SSS. Wala silang GSIS. PNP, 21.7 billion. A year yan ha. Walang premium yan. So if your basic principle on retirement is to be applied, you should demand na ang pera na binibigay sa AFP at PNP, bigay sa SSS, kami na mag-administer niya. Magbayad silang premium. BFP, 1.9 billion. That's the 2018 budget. So government is actually subsidizing 60 billion plus a year. Kaya hindi ko natanggap na itong hiningi ng mga kasamahan natin ko, hindi ito 60 billion a year. At hindi ito magagaling pa nga sa gobyerno. So yun lang po ang next slide please. So ang statement ng SSS, natuwa kami nung sinabi that employer-employee social security contribution is the sustaining lifeblood of SSS. The lack of it will certainly drive SSS to bankruptcy. Hence, programs that improve coverage of paying members and the timely remittance of members' contribution should be supported. And all systems, processes, and policies geared towards these objectives must be implemented sans solicitation by all concerned under pain of penalty for failure to comply. Kaya very basic po, ang tanong, kung sa 38 million yun, bakit 16 billion lang ang nagbabayad? Tapos, pag hindi kayo interesado sa na-research yan, may problema tayong malaki. Kasi, sasabihin nyo, hindi, taasan na lang natin ang kontribusyon kasi mas madali yan. Hahanapin pa namin yung 38 million, bakit sila hindi nagbabayad? Ito, itaas mo lang, tapos. Hindi, sabi namin, no, that's wrong. Muna yung collection bago ka mag-increase ng contribution. Next slide, please. Ilan ang employed according to BSA? Noong 2016 is 40.8 million ang employed. Out of the 40.8 million, kalito sa dolit sa BSA, ang members ng SSS noong 2016 is 34.8 million. Out of the 34.8 million, 14 million lang ang nagpapayag. 2017, 14.3 million ang employed. Ang miyembro tumaas 36,130,130. Nagbabayad 15 million pa rin. Notice, ang unemployed, according to the PSA, noong 2017 is only 2.4 million. Kaya hindi pwedeng sabihin ng SSS na ang iba doon sa 34 million ng 2016, naubos na unemployed sila kaya 15 million na lang nagbayad. Employed, sabi ng PSA, diba? Employed 40.3. So you cannot say na wala silang trabaho kasi kaya hindi namin masiya. Ang wage and salary earners according to PSA is 26.2 million, Mr. Chair. So pag sumisweldo yan buwan-buwan, kayang-kayang koleksyonan ng SSS yan. Kahit pa naman kasambahay lang yan, under the law, yung SSS na sila. So, how come 26 million out of the 40 million employed ay salary earners, ang nagbabayad sa iyo ay 15 million? Almost 11 million ng salary earners, hindi nyo nasisihin. So, the contribution at that time is 144. I will not go into that. Next slide, please. 2018 po, ang total employed is 41.2 million. Pero ang member ng SSS, 38 million. So medyo umapol ng konti. Pero ang paying, Ako po, 16.5 million. So, what gives? May 16.5 million lang na nagbabayad, so 38 million. Eh, ang 26.2 million dyan, sabi ng Philippine Statistics Authority, ay wage earners. So, hindi mo talaga pwedeng i-claim na minsan na kasi nag-contribute, 26 million na yan, one may sahod eh. So, you must have a problem in collecting from their employers. So, yun po yung, dyan, yun yung problema natin dyan, based on the statistics. Kaya nagtaka ako kanina, they were not ready with their statistics, but that's the lifeblood of SSS. Next slide, please. Well, nagtatanong kanina, alam niyo po, tinilad-tilad ko yung annual report niyo, ang kapal nila. Alam mo, lahat yan sasabihin nila, Mr. Chair, oh, we pay these benefits, may unemployment, maternity, etc. Kalalaking numbers yan. Pero pag hinahanap mo, Mr. Chair, ilan ang paying members, pahirapan po. Tingnan mo sa lahat ng facts and figures nila. I've read all their reports, all the COA reports. Hindi nila yan masyadong nilalabas. Kasi natahiya sila na ang paying member nila ay 16 million. Kaya I have to really study itong mga annual reports nila. Tilad-tilad yan. Oh, by the way, yung OPEX nyo is 9.3 billion in 2016 and 9.4 billion according to your annual reports at 10 billion in 2018. May discrepancy lang kasi may report noong 2016 na 14.3 billion. Maybe they can explain that later. Bakit sa kanilang reports 9.3 lang? Pero ang reports natin 14.3 at 12 billion in 2017. Laki nun. Natatakot ako sa mga gastos na yan pag election year. Kaya that's why I'd like to ask that question. Next slide, please. Last few slides na lang to, Mr. Chair. So, may mga ilang ni-raise ako dati pa na mga collection inefficiency, pero I will not go into that. Maybe nasagot na nila, but these are COA reports. 2013, 13.5 billion, hindi na-remit ng employers. Failed to collect 1.01 billion in condominium dues in 2014. Uncollected, ito medyo interesado pa ako, sana na-resolve nyo na ito. Nawiwildohan ako dito, Mr. Chair, letter C. Uncollected matured commercial loans of 823 million from non-existing or unlisted companies. Paano ka napahiram sa non-existing? Malapit-lapit 1 billion po yan. Yan maliit, no? So, tapos, meron namang failed to remit 13.77 billion, etc. Okay lang yun. But I'm interested dito, Mr. Chair. May problema dati sa posting of collections. If you're going to gear all your systems towards efficient collection, ang report ng COA, may 11.5 billion in collections that were not posted by SSS in 2015. Ibig sabihin, nasingil na sa employer, nasingil na sa miyembro, ang 11.5 billion hindi na po post timely. Dalawa pong problema dyan. Una ang problema dyan, ang gulo syempre ng financials mo. Ano ba yan? Receivables. Kasi andyan na pala sa'yo, hindi mo nil-report. Ang pangalawa dyan, may corruption. Tapos may 11 billion sa isang linggo lang. Mabait lang na money market mo lang ilang few days. Diba? So, pinapaimbestigahan ko yan. At sana may sagot na sila ngayon dyan. Pangalawa, tuloy-tuloy pa po ba yan yung delayed na collection, posting. Kasi noong 2016, naulit yan. 8.85 billion collected by banks but were not posted remitted to the SSS. Nagbayad na si miyembro sa bangko ng premium niya, si employer bayad na. Hindi na po-post. Ang third impact pala niyan, Mr. Chair, si miyembro ngayon, pag ma-hospital siya o whatever, sabihin sa kanya, delinquente ka eh. Hindi, nagbayad na. Hindi, wala. Tingnan mo sa records, di ba? Paano ka ngayon avail ng benefits mo, di ba? At may tanong ako, sana ma-pursue ito ng ilan ko. Noong 2017, mayroong na-report ang SSS, Chairman, Congressman Albanese, si Treasury Investment, meron silang accumulated impairment loss in 2017 ng 25.7 billion. Ang matagal ko nang tinatanong din lang na explain niya. Chairman Duo wrote me in 2017 na I will answer that, preparing the answer. 2019 na, nag-retire na lang siya. Ay, hindi ba rin niya nasagot. Kaya minsan worry ako sa within this year, sometime next week, kasi hindi ganun ka-forward ng SSS sa data. Tapos, bakit may 23.9% net revenue loss sa 2017 SSS financials? Inaral kong financials nila, Mr. Chair. Kaya nakikita ko yung mga ganong accumulated at nangyari. So, wala man akong judgment, pero, bakit may ganyan, di ba? So, yun po yung point ko. May last slide pa, wala na. Last slide. Oh, yung point ko na lang, Mr. Chair, in summation. Palaging ganito tayo. Ang opening nila palagi, Mr. Chair, since 2011 is, we don't disagree with you. We agree with you. We understand. Pero yung ending niya, bibirahin tayo. Kaya na yan na-proven na yan sa mahabang diskusyon namin dito. Ang sinasabi naman namin, ayusin niyo kaya muna ang collection rate efficiency. Was that unreasonable of Congress? That was very reasonable of Congress. Pero kung tingnan mo ang kanilang attitude ngayon, Mr. Chair, they're not really concerned bakit 38 million at 16 million na nababayad. They're not really parang, may namamatay. I mean, if you're going to study and make efficient your collection, you should try how. If only 16 billion managed to contribute so much in your fund, madagdagan mo lang pala nila 5 million members na mag-contribute yan. Ang laki ng may tutulong sa'yo. And by the way, the reserve funds, may conflict yung data natin. Ang reserve funds ng SSS in 2019, if I may, Mr. Chair, ito ng aking, nandun sa aking slide pa din. The reserve funds is more than 598 billion sa financials. It's not 535. But anyway, I'd be happy to also to find out that there are, ako naman, nakanda yung kami ng data, sana naman may SSS funds, may data din sila. Kasi, yan pala, 2016, 464 billion. Ano po ako sa financials nila? 2017, 492 billion. 2018, 595. Pag naging 535 billion yan, of course, may tanong tayo bakit naging 535. Pero may malakas sa 2019, lumalaki ang isla. So in any case, Mr. Chair, sana tingin ko kaya ng SSS magbigay nila ng 1,000, at least 1,000 peso increase. And all that, they will present actuarials, Mr. Chair. They will present all the arguments to say no to that. Pero in the end, it was really the practice that gave way. The practice na nung binigay pala ang 1,000 pesos ng 2017, lahat ng pangako, lahat ng panakot nila sa akin, na nilambas pa ang Kongreso at ang Senado na hindi kayo nag-iisip, dagdagan nyo ng pension, hindi nyo tama pala. At hindi naman pala mali. So, yun lang, Mr.
So ayan mga guys, if you find this video very helpful at nagustuhan mo itong video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng videos na aking i-upload. Thank you ulit sa pag-tune in nyo sa aking channel. Again, this is Tita Eda. If you have questions and you want information, just visit Tita Eda's channel. Continue to be a blessing and stay safe.